Chapter 1.2.7 Container Runtime Interface. The Container Runtime Interface, CRI, is a plugin interface that allows the kubelet to utilize different container runtimes without requiring the cluster components to be recompiled. Each node in the cluster must have a working container runtime for the kubelet to launch pods and their containers. The CRI serves as the primary protocol for communication between the kubelet and container runtime. Specifically, the Kubernetes Container Runtime Interface, CRI, establishes the gRPC protocol for communication between the node components, kubelet, and the container runtime, facilitating the smooth deployment and management of containers within a Kubernetes cluster. In Kubernetes v1.23, the kubelet acts as a client when connecting to the container runtime via gRPC. The kubelet requires the runtime and image service endpoints to be available in the container runtime, which can be configured separately using the -image-service-endpoint command line flags. In Kubernetes v1.31, the kubelet prefers to use CRI v1, and if a container runtime does not support this version, it will attempt to negotiate an older supported version. The v1.31 kubelet can also negotiate CRI v1 Alpha 2, but this version is deprecated. If the kubelet cannot negotiate a supported CRI version, it will not register as a node. Upgrading. When upgrading Kubernetes, the kubelet will attempt to automatically select the latest CRI version upon restart. If this automatic selection fails, a fallback option will be used. If a gRPC redial is needed due to a container runtime upgrade, the container runtime must also support the initially selected version, or the redial will fail, necessitating a restart of the kubelet.